Welcome to my video. Today we're going to talk about how to clean a shower. First of all, we're going to talk about the equipment in which you need. I've put vinegar in the spray bottle. Also, a pair of gloves to use. If you do not have a regular towel, you can use paper towels. And for those that are sensitive to the smell, we have a mask. First thing that you want to do is you want to open up a window to give you some circulation of air. You can also put a fan. The next thing that you want to do is you'll take, and this process we're trying to do is to take down the curtain and wash it. Okay, so we'll go through that process. While this is happening and you're washing your curtain, you can be cleaning. By the time you're through washing your shower, then your curtain is done and you can hang it back out. So what you do is you should have some hooks on your shower curtain, and you just start taking the hooks off. Now we'll go down and put it in the wash. Okay, now it is time to take the shower curtain and stick it in the wash. And then what you want to do is you want to put the setting, first of all, in the hot cycle, and also I would put it on a longer wash. Then I would take vinegar and put it in. How dirty your curtain is, the more vinegar you add to it. Maybe a third to maybe a half of a gallon for the real dirty curtains. Then I put just a slight, you don't need a whole lot, but you can put a slight bit of detergent in. Do not put a whole lot, because a lot of your curtains are the plastic kind and they do not absorb the detergent. We also want to make sure, because of the agitation, sometimes it's nice to take a towel and put the towel in with the curtain to help with the agitation of the curtain. So you just stick that in there with that. Okay, the shower curtains are in place and we're ready to go. It is done. I've looked at my work and it is perfect, ready to go. Thank you for listening in, following me with me, and subscribe. That'd be great. Thank you.